how to check your Grubhub Plus membership status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if you have an active Grubhub Plus membership and where to view all your subscriptions details right inside the app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Grubhub app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the app, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as Grubhub Plus. So you can simply tap on it, and after that you can simply scroll down and select account and then choose Grubhub Plus from the list. And here you'll see all your current membership status when it's active or on a free trial or it's expired. So here you can also see your next billing date and how much you are being charged and what benefits you are getting, like free delivery and cashback offers. So here if you want to make changes or cancel the subscriptions, you can just tap on manage membership or cancel membership from that same screen. And that's it. That's how you can see your Grubhub Plus membership status. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.